Everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Nine-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors open now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 from the coast. Pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure. All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds. Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Thank you, Nina. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are on. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships launched. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, First Order TIE Fighters. Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we gotta clear the path for transport and make a jump.
I'm hit! We lost Red 2, more incoming! Blue 5 taking evasive action!
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to drive away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. He's pulling us in.
I'll bring it to friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Is there anything we can do, Nina? No, the tractor beam will be too strong. It's worth a shot. Full reverse. Any other ideas? Then wipe the navicomputer.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Switch doors.
Resistance sympathizers, this vessel Tier 141 is now under First Order control. All of you, get out. Get to the hangar bay now.
I got you. That's crazy. Wow.
Now, is this just the movie, Dad?
Yeah.
This makes me
It's
sure.
pretty cool.
I don't like real stuff.
Yeah.
Only pretend.
They're taking us.
Can I walk? Can I walk that?
Yeah.
How many here? Follow them to the end of the hallway. How many here? Follow them.
You gotta be serious, babe. We're captured. Hey, we're captured right now. It's very serious.
You can wait right there. Enter the cell. Remember your colors. Continue down.
How many?
All the way down to the next.
Take this blue here.
All the way down.
How many? Take this gray. How many? It's got that orange right there.
Down this way.
How many? Take this gray.
Unit of 3. You're assigned this gray color. Stand on the
Make sure
gray.
you are standing on the color I have assigned you to.
7. I need 4.
That goes for everybody.
2, 3 on red.
Including you, Gray.
3 on red. 1 assigned red.
Take a moment to look down and remember the color you are standing on, as it will be imperative to your interrogation process today.
Everyone look down at your feet. Memorize
Your
the colors
cell
you've been assigned.
is this
Very
one
important.
here.
Blue,
The
red,
stormtroopers are getting
or
it
gray.
ready for you.
When this door opens, go inside this cell. Until then, stay on your color.
Any questions, comments, or regrets you have regarding your capture today, make absolutely sure you keep it to yourself. Orange and gray, look at that. Red and blue,
Supposed to stand on our colors?
no, there's no color.
Prisoners are secure.
That's what you did.
We're in the cell.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
With resistance, we're gonna break you guys out. Look for your assigned color and the transport. Let's move quickly. Red and orange. Red,
Blue.
gray, orange. Seatbelts up right.
We have the recruits. Wait, you're still here? Ho's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way. Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift. Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Power's blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detection to level D.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Break the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Down the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits.
Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck?
Right.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up. Scan for his pod beacon.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from T-Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
You got spotted the wreckage site.
Wreckage? I have a bad feeling about this.
No, sir, he came down at the wreckage site.
That doesn't sound good. He was the backbone of this operation.
Not over yet.
Anything happens to him?
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo!